Hello, this video is to let you guys know what you're going to do today. Many times some of you come into conference and you ask, what am I supposed to do? So here we go. Today is January 20th. What you need to do every time you come to class is to make sure you click on courses and choose your class. Check your calendar. Click on your calendar and see what's on there for today. If there's nothing there, you're going to go back to materials. You can also check updates and see what your update is for today. And check your updates because there's an update there. When you see an update, make sure you like it so that the teacher knows that you have seen it. And then the last thing is to check your materials page. There is a recorded class from last week. Please make sure that you have looked at it. If you have not, that's one thing that you need to do. If you have not participated in a class discussion, that's another thing you need to do. If you are not sure how ALEKS works, you watch this video. And then your assignments by the week are right here. Now, I've gone over this in class as well, but just know that if you click on this, it will show you all the assignments for this whole 9 weeks, all in one place. And you can see these are your 6 quizzes and your 3 tests, which altogether is your 9 weeks. We will do 1 subject per week for you all to do your work in. Now, you have a choice. You can do your quiz in Edgenuity or ALEKS. You may take your test in ALEKS or Quizizz. The test will not be available until the week that test review is gone over. Everything else you may work ahead. Go back to materials. You can also scroll down here, and what do after you know what your assignments are? Look at the week next to that lesson. Today is the 20th. The 20th falls into this week. So this is what you will be doing for this week. What I want you to do is I want you to do the read it and the show it. It means you're going to click on read it and read your notes. You're going to click on show it and you're going to watch the video. Okay, we will not do practice it until the next time we have class. But at least you know all your information is right there. Practice it in class is when the teacher will work over your practice questions with you and answer any questions that you have. You work in groups and get your work done so that when it is time to take the quiz, you are prepared for your quiz. But you can also go to the next lessons, the next week's lessons, and see what they have in there if you want to work ahead. So just wanted to let you know what you need to do this week. This week, you need to make sure you watch the recorded class. You need to make sure that you have participated in the class discussion if you have not. Make sure you have watched the ALEKS video. You've checked on your assignments so you know what your assignments are. And your work for this week is to do read it and show it. Also, everybody, whether you like Edgenuity better or ALEKS better, everybody was told to go to ALEKS and take the knowledge test. It's like a pre-test, but it's just an introduction to ALEKS. Well, how do you get to ALEKS? Over here on your left-hand side, you're going to click right here on McGraw-Hill, and when you click there, it's going to take you to your launch, and then you will see your class. Now, this is all of my classes, but you will just see one, and you click on launch, and it will take you to ALEKS for you to do your knowledge test. It is just a pre-test, and that pre-test is not for a grade. It is for ALEKS to tell me where you are so I can see what you need help with. Okay? Again, it is not for a grade, but it's something that I need you to do so that I can check. And if you need to know, getting it complete gives you bonus points. So just wanted to let you know that. Last thing, please make sure you're checking your email just in case your teachers are trying to reach you. So I hope this is a good little what are we doing today video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.